All right, and we're back. Today's video, we're doing on your hood latch here, we're going to do an air filter replacement on a 2016 Nissan. This is an Altima? Yeah. Altima. So, okay, so this is simple. It's quick and easy change. We've got 3 latches, 1, 2, and 3. This lifts up. It's supposed to lift up. Come on. What are we snagged on? Oh, 4 latches. There's one more buried in the back, people. So just keep your eyes peeled. You're on camera, Pearl. Let me get done. Yes. All right, we got a 5th latch. All right, very good. There you go. Okay, so once you undo all 5 latches, this comes up and out. Okay, there's your old filter. See how dirty your filter is there. Okay. Nope, just keep it handy. I have to clean out the box. So I'm gonna reach in here. Look like, yeah, there it is. I knew I saw a leaf in there. That can go there. Pearl, you're on camera. Relax.
No, just telling you.
All right. This goes here. All right, you pull it back down. Snap your latches in place. Make sure you get all 5. And 5. Very good. And that is the extent of a 2016. You see how dirty this is. Look at this. 2016 Nissan air filter replacement. Painless, simple, easy, 2 minutes worth. And while we're under here, always take this stuff out from underneath your hood. This is where you suck in your fresh air on your car. Okay, hopefully you can see what I'm pointing at here with the camera. Okay, so that's what that is. So make sure you try to keep that clean. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.